back to the next project. I noticed that it's uncrooked, if you can see. I don't know if it can be fixed, but I'm gonna try. But I'm also gonna go ahead and try to put on the cover, make it nice and tight. I don't like the way it looks when it sags. What I found out though is the lug nut that they give you, lug nut remover, is the same for spare tire, which is great. Let me let you go because this tire's gonna fall on me. And for those of you that are curious and want to know what it looks like when you take this spare tire off, this is what it looks like. It did look a little worse. I had to clean around where the tire rubs on there. There's the rim. And also when you clean these tires, it says wash with soap and water only. Harsh chemicals may discolor. Finish on the wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down before I put the cover back on. Okay, I got it on there nice and tight. And now the other dilemma I'm having is I gotta put it back on there. But I have to put the screw in through here. Now I'm trying to figure out, can I go in from the side and do it? Problem being is at the bottom it sits on here, and the top leans up against here. Some of you are smarter than me. Most of you, all of you, might be smarter than me. I'm gonna go ahead and try it in a way. I'll let you know if I can get it on and if it works. But if not, just give me ideas in the comments below. Alright, I got the tire cover on. Looks nice on this side. That side, if you notice, a little wrinkled. That's the side I had to go through in order to get it put on. So, if you notice here, hopefully it doesn't come out. As long as it don't, I'll probably leave it on. But if it does, I'll take it back off. I had to pull this whole side out in order to get the plate in there with the nut and tighten it down. And then I just try to cinch it back. But since it's up against the RV, it's hard to get it cinched all the way back. Let me know what you think, if it looks good, and if you like it.